We're going to replace a mirror actuator on a 2016 Kia Soul. All you really need for this job is just a Phillips head screwdriver and like maybe some pliers. I don't know, we'll see. All right, so we're going to take the old mirror off. We're going to save this. It should just pull off. We're probably going to have to pull off this back piece here because this is the unit that we're going to replace, but we'll get around to this in a sec. There's 3 screws in here. Save these screws because the new part does not come with them. That was probably the hardest part. There's a little wiring harness here on the back, and it's got these 2 little clips. You might need like a second person to get these off, but you can sort of just, I don't know, bend those clips off with a screwdriver or something, or yeah, get a helper to help you do that. So we ended up just sort of breaking those clips off with a flathead screwdriver because you don't need them anymore. Just make sure you don't damage the wiring harness. Now that you just kind of got to wiggle out, maybe get in there and kind of just sort of try and wedge it out just like that. There you go. And you're gonna get your new actuator. Comes in a little bag like this, and on the face of it, it's got these 2 little inscribings. One says left hand top, one says right hand top. So depending on which side of the vehicle you're working on, now we're on the left hand side, so we're gonna orient it this way, and it should just line up with those screw holes when you sort of set it in there like that. But we got to go ahead and plug in that wiring harness. Now these clips, you don't want to break them because you want this thing to stay in there. Thank you. And yeah, this is kind of a little, you gotta kind of push that. Come on. There we go. Push it in there till it clips, so you can feel those clips have seated. And then you go ahead and get this lined up with those 3 screw holes from before. Then you're gonna just sort of guide those screws in there till it's tight. Yeah, probably don't want to over tighten it. I don't really know. I'm just getting them about as tight as they felt when they came off. All right, so that's in there. Now you get your old mirror, or your mirror face. We kind of want to get this old backing plate off here. You can see it's sort of clipped on like that, which may require some screwdrivering. So we managed to pry off the old plate off the back of this. Now you want to be careful to not bend or break as many of these clips as possible because this is supposed to snap onto the new faceplate again. So we're gonna hopefully see if it still does that. And you really just want to kind of line it up and just snap it right in. And there you go. And that's how you change a mirror actuator on a 2016 Kia Soul.